Hi, I'm Craig Grant and this is Cobweb Maths. Today I'm going to talk about the 2-bit sum. We'll start straight away. Here we are. The 2-bit sum has got two parts. The first part is a die which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each face. The second bit is a tetrahedron which has 1, 2, 3 and 5 on each face. That's the second bit. Alright. Now these are thrown together and the numbers on the faces that are down are added. And you have to find the probability of a sum that is 7, an even number, and less than 4. Now I taught this to a low stream class, and of course they had trouble reading. They wouldn't, a die, a tetrahedron or a coin. There are the 2 bits, so you've got two things. So I call it the 2-bit question. So there are the 2 bits. Each bit has some numbers associated with it, and they're thrown and added. So the word added, probability, some numbers associated with a couple of things, help them identify it. Now to work it out, you took the numbers, you made an addition table, you counted the number of things inside the addition table and you put /n. I'll show you how to do that. And the probability was the count, so you count up the 7s in the table, put the count on the top of n, and that was the probability. Count the even numbers in the table, put the count over n, which is the number in the table. Count the numbers less than 4 and put it over n. Alright, now I've just got to get this right. So it's about there. We'll end it back. Oh, come on. Okay, there it is. I'll just check that it's right. Yep, that'll do. Right, here's the table. So you take one set of numbers, 1 to 6 right there. The other set, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Then you add them up and there are your answers in the middle. Then you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you count them, there'll be 24 altogether. You can do it by multiplying 4 by 6. Some of my students would have a bit of trouble with that, but they can count okay. So put /24. Now, first question is the probability of getting a 7. Count the 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 over 24. Find the probability of an even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 3 in each line. So that's 12 over 24. And the probability that it's less than 4 is just 2, 3 and 3 there. So there's 3 altogether. So that's 3 over 24. And we're done. Basically, your question, for some students, just to see it blah, all they had to do was identify that it was a 2-bit equation. Keywords would have been sum, throw a couple of objects and add the scores, and then they would make a table, count the things in the table. I'll flip it over again so you can see. There it is, there it all is. The numbers, the adding table, count the number in the table. The probability is the count of 7s over n, the count of even numbers over n, and the numbers less than 4. This goes on the top as the count over n, which is the number in the table. And we'll close off there.